Hello everyone, I am Nandini Raju. I am working as a graduate research assistant and a PhD scholar in mechanical and aerospace engineering at University of Central Florida, USA. Before coming here, I worked as a researcher in National Aerospace Laboratories, India, Indian Institute of Technology, Madras, and Singapore University Technology and Design. So this is totally my career or experience, whatever. So today I would like to share my journey with you, and it may be helpful to any students, or you may feel like, oh, this is me. This is what really happened to me. This is similar as my story. You may feel that. So let's start the story. I am a girl from a village called Gobichetipalayam, which is in Tamil Nadu, southern part of India. From my childhood, I had a dream to become an aerospace engineer. I did my schooling in the same village in Tamil medium. So I didn't have a good English fluency or English knowledge during my school days. During my school days, my father expired and my mother was working as a teacher. Her income was nearly 1500 rupees per month. So this is a total scenario. Also, I didn't have any relative or anyone related to mechanical or aerospace field. So I didn't have an opportunity to get any information about that field. Till I complete my college, I didn't have any view about that field. So this is a school situation. So I graduated school with 91 percentage mark and I received a government college seat. After receiving the admission, my family couldn't support my tuition and hostel fees. So unfortunately, I couldn't continue going college after receiving the admission. After that, I received a opportunity, wonderful opportunity from one of my relative about one deemed university, and the deemed university offered me with a 4-year scholarship, and that's all. So I was so happy, and also they offered me BTech aeronautical course. So that was a dream come true moment for me. So I joined the course and I tried to give myself best, and I received a silver medal end of my graduation because I was a university topper. Then after receiving all these awards and medals, I wanted to continue my education, but my family wanted to do a job and settle down in India because of our situation, etc. So but I wanted to continue my education, so I started applying all loans in and around Tamil Nadu, private banks and the government banks everywhere. But I got a same reply that is like, you are a girl and you are going to get married sooner or later. So you will not be having a capacity to repay us. So also you don't have a land or home to pledge the property and get the amount or something. So we are not going to give the loan. So this is the same answer I received, but I didn't compromise my dream. I started searching the trust in and around India. That time I was very clear about how many trusts were there, and I started writing the emails. I started drafting the letters. I sent them out. So during the situation, I received a first support from my friend's brother, that is Mr. Shankar Raman. After that, I received a support from buddyforstudy.com. I met Mr. Chandrasekhar. After that, one of the professor from university, he came and helped me. His name is Dr. Narashamlu Shrikant. So they are not sponsor for me right now. They are my extended family actually. So they helped me, and I was able to complete my master's education. So during the master's education, I did do the part-time job to support my other expenses. So I was taking tuition in 2 to 3 places. I was struggling for food. I was struggling for stay. And after completing the masters, I came back India and I worked a number of places. And after that, I received this opportunity here. So In my story, I struggle a lot, and I struggled for food, I struggled for stay, and I was not rich. My family was not rich, and I lost my father. I was studying in Tamil medium. I was not very good in English. Um, I didn't have anyone to say about this field, but I am continuing my dream. I am trying to achieve my goal. So, my only suggestion is don't compromise your dream. You may be struggling similar as me, or you struggled already, you faced all these issues due to poverty or whatever. So, my only suggestion is don't compromise your dream for any reason, even for your family, even for your situation, for any reason. Don't just give up. Keep doing what you are doing, so you will achieve the goal. You had a dream and you need to do that. So that is the only thing I'm having in my mind always. So I'm wishing you all the best, and I hope my story will be helpful to any one of you, and you may feel like, okay, this is some portion of my story is similar as yours. So thanks a lot for spending a time and hearing my story, and I'm so grateful for that. Thank you so much, and wishing you all the best.